Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be a freebie alert video. So I'm going to be showing you how to get your hands on some free samples, and it's by feelunique. This is how it arrives. I've just ripped off my address. So as always, if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose this month's feelunique samples, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So feelunique offer a sample service that's called Pick and Mix. It's only available in the UK. They have a huge beauty website and they do ship internationally, but unfortunately this sample service is only UK. Hopefully that might change in the future. Fingers crossed it might change. So once a month you can choose up to 5 samples from a huge list of samples. There's usually around 9 to 10 different pages. The samples are free and you just pay £3.95 shipping. Now once the samples are sent out to you, if you go onto your account, scroll down to like promo codes or gift codes, look there, you will see a code that you can use off future purchases that will entitle you to have £3.95 off. So essentially you are getting these samples for free. In order to start claiming these samples, you need to sign up to the feelunique website. Once you've done that, then you're free to choose your samples. Now you can only do it once a month. So say if you sign up on the 1st of August, choose your samples, you are not allowed to do it again until the 1st of September. They don't release samples at any particular date, any time, they just do it randomly. So sometimes you might find that you have chosen your selection and then a couple of days later you find out that they've now got Nars items on there or something else that is quite good and you missed it. There's no way of knowing what samples that they are going to release. So to get on the Pick and Mix samples page, just type in the search bar Pick and Mix and it'll come up and then you'll see it all there. Some months are better than others. Some months I go on there and I can't find anything that takes my fancy, so I tend to opt for perfumes. Some months are absolutely amazing. They're really good with their Nars products. A couple of months ago they released a Nars sample lipstick, lovely size. The same size lipstick is now featured as the product of the month or the Hall of Fame month on the Latest in Beauty website. It is a mini, I'd say, not necessarily a sample because it's a mini, and it's really good. Then they had a Nars bronzer, and this is mine. Look at this. That is so cool. It is broken. I'm hitting pan, as you can see. It is an amazing, amazing bronzer. It's their Laguna bronzer and I absolutely love it. Ooh, no, I'm gonna have to put that down to the side. I absolutely love it, so I am gonna have to get myself the big version. If you saw my samples for last month, I picked up the Nars Mascara and I really like it. The brush is perfect. It's nice and big but not too fluffy, and yeah, I just really, really like that mascara. So when I went on to choose this month's samples, the mascara is still on there, so I've got it again. Why not? If I like it, why not have it again? Now they've also got on there Nas Blusher. Now when we all found out about it, me and my followers, subscribers and friends and everything, it was like really exciting because of the sizes of the other Nars products that they've added. We thought maybe we'll have a proper Nars blush like the size of like my bronzer, but it's not, it's a card. You can click on the products and they will give you sizes, but sometimes it's a little bit deceiving. I've got a Facebook page and also an Instagram page, both in the name of Diaryofabeautygeek, same as my channel. As soon as I hear of any new samples that are coming on to feelunique and they're really good, I will screenshot it and let you all know. So if you don't already follow me on there, you're welcome to take a look. But I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please comment down below, and yeah, I'll show you what I got in this month's box. If you can hear rain, it's getting a little louder now. There's a Velux window right above you, or right behind you I should say, and yeah, it started raining about 10 minutes ago. Typical. So these are my products. I'll show you in detail now. So the first item then is a familiar, and it's the Nars Mascara. This is their Climax Mascara and it's Dramatic Volumizing Mascara. That's what the outer packaging looks like. I'll take it out and show you. It is so good. That's what it looks like there. So a nice size. How much is it? How much has it got here? 1.8 grams. So it's quite nice. I like it anyway. I do like it. So I went for a Sol de Janeiro product, and this is the Brazilian Bod Buff. Now I didn't read this properly. I thought it was a Brazilian Bum Bum. You know the Bum Bum cream that they do that is quite famous and well known. So when I opened this and put it on my hand, I thought, what the heck? I'll show you now, I'll do it now. I thought, ugh, that looks more like a sort of bird poo. Can you see? Can you see there? thinking, ugh. And that's like a moisturiser to put on your bottom. It's not. It's an exfoliator. It's a body buff. So it's a soothing scrub and mask for Touch Me Now Brazilian Babe Skin. So we've got 15 mils here, and it just says, what's it say? Use as a scrub on wet skin or apply as a body mask on dry skin, waiting 10 minutes before rubbing it off. So yeah, so we got 15 mils there. So I thought that's quite a nice size and a nice chance to try it. So I was quite happy really, because it's something a little bit different. But yeah, initially, I just didn't read it properly and I was thinking, ugh. So there's that. Then I went for something really weird. Still don't know what it is. Haven't really looked into it yet, but it looks very clinical. I'll show you first. Can you see there? I'll take it out of the wrapper now. But this is about Filorina. It's a hyaluronic acid filler. That's all the information I got, so I'm going to have to go online. Actually, there is some information here. I'll have a look now. But look at that. It's like a little injection, but obviously without a needle. So it's, yeah, it's the dispenser. And then I've got a little thing that I put on the end there. What's it say? First Derma cosmetic filler for at-home use. And it says it's the first generation of filling and plumping treatments for at-home use. It contains 6 particular hyaluronic acids to promote the filling of wrinkles on face, neck and décolletage, and the plumping of cheekbones and lips. Unscrew the top of the bottom of the pre-filled applicator containing Filorina gel of 1 ml and screw on the metal truncated tip. Spread the product on the age wrinkles, on the expression furrows, and in the areas that require particular plumping. Let the gel work for 10 minutes, then using the palm of your hands, gently pat until the gel is fully absorbed. For external use only and do not inject. Oh my gosh. I need to read up a little bit more about this. If you've tried it before, please let me know your thoughts on what your skin was like afterwards, or is it something that you're going to have to do, you know, like daily or something like that. But no, so there's that item there. Then I went for another scrub, and this is by Clarins, and this is exfoliant gel, purifying gel scrub with lava beads, and this is 5 mils. The outer packaging looks. There's quite a few of these on the website. I think there might be about 5 different scrubs that you can go for, all for different skin types. And yeah, I just thought it sounded quite nice. Purifying gel scrub. So there's that. Last week we've got a teeny tiny sample, and this is by Evolve Organic Beauty, and this is Climate Veil, and it's SPF 20. It's a tinted SPF. So it's small, but I thought it sounded really lovely. And I can't remember what colour I went for. It doesn't say. I think there was 1 or 2 colours, I'm not sure. But let's try it in my hand. It's quite runny, but I love tinted moisturisers. When I'm having lazy days, and yeah, you can't see it, it's blended in really nicely there. When I'm having sort of lazy days, especially in the summer, if it's a really hot day, then yeah, I always opt for a tinted moisturiser. And the fact that it's got an SPF in there as well. It is a little bit low, it's 20. I tend to go for a lot higher, so I'll probably spray my face with an SPF 50, like the sprays then, over the top of it. That is something I really wanted to try. So that's that product as well. I think it's probably 5 mils, I'm not too sure. So these are all my products for feelunique's Pick and Mix sample service for September. And again, I'm really chuffed, really happy with the items that I've got. Really intrigued with this hyaluronic filler. Really intrigued. I can't wait to learn a little bit more about it before I apply it. This mascara, I've already got it. I love it, so I'm super happy that you know, that I've got it again. And yeah, these scrubs and creams, they're just really nice. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't already signed up, I definitely recommend checking it out. It's not a subscription, so you might go on, if there's something there, takes your fancy, great. If not, then it doesn't matter. It's not a subscription, you're not tied into anything at all. You just need to sign up to their website, so just your email and then you're good to go. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.